And we are live, boys. We are back. The first in-season tournament. The first game is going to be the walk-offs versus the Gunslingers, Colson. And today we're looking for the walk-offs, looking to hit. This Gunslingers are looking to find their one pitcher. Now we look at the walk-offs and the Gunslingers lineups. We see that Connor Giordano is out, and we also see that Evan Lasky is out. Two really key pieces, the new prospects for both teams. So we're gonna be looking to see what happens. We're looking at the new rookies, Garrett Broxton, Jacob Krosniak, and we're looking forward to see what happens. So we'll see what happens in this game. Let's get right into it, boys.
Here we are. The game's about to start. Teams are ready and set. Sam on the mound for the first pitch. Sam steps on.
Great pitch.
Oh, there's ball 4. Strike 3. 58 miles an hour. Same pitch. He got the first 2 strikes on. Strike 3. 61. Hit the bottom of the zone. 2 outs. Full count the batter. Payoff pitch, ball 4. Good take by Garrett. Good at bat. Sam steps on for the payoff. Strike 3. Got him. Payoff pitch. Full count. Hit him. Man on first, no outs, and Dom steps into the box for his first big league at bat. Dom ready? The pitch. Hit him. It's the second batter in a row hit. And up steps Sam. Oh, and breaking news, Evan Lasky has been added into the lineup for the Gunslingers as he has returned from injury and been cleared mid-game. Steps in, ready? The pitch. What's up? And that is a home run. That is gone. 3-0 walk-offs as they hit the celebration on. Now Al Campson steps up for the first time in 2 years. Ball forward. Al gets the big. And we have a pitching change. Here we go. Colson stepped onto the mound for the first time this season. And he's going to get 4 warm-up pitches. And now Evan Lasky's coming in for a defensive substitution. And Jacob's going to come out of the game completely. Sticky situation, the pitch. Strike 3. Got him 62 miles per hour. It's a full count on the batter. Here we go. And there's a ground ball. And he's got everybody safe. They beat it out everywhere. 1-2 count on the batter. He steps in for the payoff pitch. Oh yeah! Not gone. Not gone. That's not gone. They're safe everywhere. A very, very far single from Sam. Well hit, but not hit well enough. Look up. I can't even read the pitches. Getting live. And the pitch is ball 4. It's going to end the inning once every player touches the base. Everyone touches the base and the inning's over. 5-0 inning mercy rule.
Let's go, Sam. You got skip. Hey, attaboy!
Hey, Sammy boy, Sammy.
Sam can't locate this game. It's gonna be a problem. It's not gonna go well. Just missed. Hey, they haven't swung the bat yet. They're being annoying little monkeys. Attaboy! Way to start on top. That's a nice pitch. That's a nice pitch. Keep doing that. Just like that, kid. Oh yes. Oh yes. They are not swinging. They haven't swung the bat yet. Not sure what they're doing. Maybe it's some kind of tactic. Finally. Hey, Sam. Here's a dude perfect frisbee that we have over here. Beautiful dude perfect frisbee that we have right here. Oh! Jacob, is your tactic to not swing? I'm joking, guys. Come on. Hey, just missed. That just missed. He doesn't want to swing. Come on, Sam. Strike him out here, kid. Oh, what a pitch! Yo, hey, Colson. Sam, he didn't swing last time. Go, Sam. Sam's playing in Crocs? What? Sam, you're playing in Crocs? Oh my god! Oh my.
Sword!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Mic'd up, Cole. Out.
He has game changers for the teams.
Good
Ball
carry.
4, take your man. 2-0 count, Sam steps back on the pitch. Hit him! Will takes his base, and they're going to be in a situation here with runners on first and second. Walk-offs have to play carefully, as they have someone warming up in the bullpen right now. As you can see, Alec Hansen in center field. Pitch. Strike 3. 61 miles an hour, perfect speed to get the payoff pitch. Evan steps in for his first career at bat in the pitch. Oh, that's crushed through his legs, and everybody's safe. Bases loaded with 1 out. And up to the plate steps Jacob. Oh, it hit him. He walks in and runs 61 miles an hour to the leg, and he takes it like a man. It's a 2-2 count with bases loaded. 1 out. Colson has a chance to tie the game with 1 swing in the pitch. Strike 3, good pitch. Absolutely nasty. The score is 5-1, and oh, that's ball 4. He walks in another run, and it's 5-2. Oh, and the walk-offs look like they're going to the bullpen. Alec Hansen on the mound. Garrett Brofsky steps in the box. Sam at first base. Cole in the outfield. Here we go. Garrett ready, driving a run here.
And did you and your dad do something?
And it hits him. And that is the second run that scored this inning off a hit by pitch. And they're taking Alec out and putting Sam back in. What a weird substitution to bring now for 1 batter. Pitch. Oh, it hit him! The 3rd hit by pitch this inning that's drove in a run. And the Gunslingers are right back in it. It's a 5-4 ball game. Batter. Jacob steps in ready to swing in the pitch. Oh, that's crushed. Way out of here. That ball is gone. Jacob Crosby changes the game with 1 swing of the bat. I know. That grand slam only counts as 1 run because of the 5-run limit, but Jacob Krosniak sends an absolute bomb out of this stadium and puts the team right back in the game. It is 5-5, tie ball game going to the bottom of the 2nd inning. It was not 12-1. And that's crushed!
Yes, sir.
Left field, Dominic Spada! And that's crushed! First major league hit is a bomb to left field! And he gives his team the lead here in the bottom of the 2nd inning. I know we're in 2000. Yeah, hold down the 95. Okay. And that ball's crushed!
Yes, sir.
Back-to-back home run! And that's the deal. 25. Okay. And they're switching back to Jacob. Gunslingers have like 2 more minutes until the game is over. They need to get to this inning extremely quick. They're playing quick play here. Oh, and it hit him. This game seems to be getting out of hand here. 7 minutes till the game's over as they've added 5 minutes, and he's hit by the pitch. No, 7 minutes left. They need 3 outs and to get through a whole entire other inning. Get out of this inning quickly. And the pitch. Oh, it hit him.
Sam with bases loaded.
If Sam hits a grand slam here, it seals the deal. That put them up by 5. Put the Gunslingers out of reach. Full count of the batter. Jacob in the windup in the pitch. Strike 3! And he keeps his team in this game as they're only down by 2. Pitch. Strike 3, got him!
Speed. 64.
64 mile an hour fastball when he puts it away. 4 minutes left, and Jacob needs to put them away here to get into this final inning. Cole steps up, and here we go. Line up in the pitch. Oh, ball 4. That's kind of bringing a run. Put them up 8-5. And with only 3 minutes left in this game before time, hard stop. They really need to get out of this inning. Body. And that ball's going to be caught by Jacob for out number 3. They need to hit very quickly. They have 2 minutes to get through a full inning. Here we go, folks. 1 minute left. Colson, they need to score 3 runs quickly. And there's strike 3. He gets him out.
You guys have under 60 seconds.
It's old. It hit him. And it hit him in the head.
Go, go, go.
He gets on.
Go.
And the pitch.
Run that.
And they're safe everywhere. He goes 3 and Will's there. Gunner's on the corner.
Last batter?
Last batter, a home run ties it.
Evan.
Or I guess last batter.
1-2 count on the pitch. Strike 3, it's gonna end it.
What was the amount? Act like he's been there.